One more? Okay. Okay, you like this? Can I get a shout out from my man here who's doing the guitar noise? Keeping us live, keeping us going. Okay? Okay, I'll try to stay still. Why not? See, it's fun. The more you do it, the more fun it becomes. Off the coast of Nova Scotia, I've been flying, trying to photograph my face for posters. Sailing further from my family lately, driving me crazy, or maybe that's me. I'm tangled up in my own web. It's been 99 days since I've seen my own bed. I've been chasing dreams, sleeping less and less. My mum said I need to relax and be back for cups of tea. She asks me, boy, how'd you dream so big when you hardly sleep at all? Boy, how'd you dream so big when you hardly sleep at all? Boy, how'd you dream so big when those eyelids rarely close? I don't know, Mum, we'll find out, I suppose. I don't know, Mum, we'll find out, I suppose. You know what? Dressed in fancy clothes, it sounds fun. I'll admit I even smiled a little bit in round one. Now I'm searching for two purposes I haven't found. One driving me crazy, or maybe that's just me. I seem to disappear my own mind, fingers in my ears holding out for golden sunshine. Sometimes wondering now why I just can't seem to stop time. Find me a lady, have a baby, or maybe three. Cheeky boy, how'd you dream so big when you hardly sleep at all? Boy, how'd you dream so big when you hardly sleep at all? Boy, how'd you dream so big when those eyelids rarely shut? I don't know, my friends, but I don't really give a... Thank you very much, Belgium! Woo!